Ready to turn your brilliant Tableau creations into something you can actually keep? Okay, let's dive right in and learn the essential steps to properly save your Tableau projects. First, let's find the File menu at the top of your screen. When it opens, you have a few options: Save, Save As, and Save as Packaged Workbook. Let's break these down. Save updates your current project if you're modifying a file you've already saved. This is the easiest way to keep your changes. You are saving the file on your computer. Save As lets you save your project to a new location or change its name while keeping the original file intact. This is helpful if you want to create separate versions without changing everything. Now, let's look at Save as Packaged Workbook. This saves your project and packages all your data sources together into a single file. This will come handy if you want to share across different computers with the same data access. Now, to save your file, select your preferred file format and location. You are able to save your project on local folders on your computer, even on cloud storage solutions like OneDrive or Dropbox. Remember to choose a descriptive file name for easy identification later. Finally, click Save. Your project and data are successfully saved. Knowing how to save your Tableau projects properly is key for backing up your work, sharing insights, and collaborating with other data enthusiasts. Happy visualizing!